Hello guys, my name is Juhi Arora. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a quick 10-minute morning routine. It's going to be a very easy one. For this first one, just sit in Sukhasana and let's just open up the back, stretch as much as you can, and then go into a C. Keep breathing. Next, we'll just try to open up the arms a little bit. Just pull your palm downwards. Stretch, feel the stretch, let it open up. Always loosen up your body first before you do any sort of exercise. Alright, now simple wrist rotations, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Alright, now we'll take the position of the arms of Garudasana. Just take one arm, wrap the other one around it, as simple as that. Feel the stretch. Next, interlock your fingers, turn your hand inside out and then the other way around. Alright, now I'll just show it to you from behind. We'll be doing the arm movement or the hand movement of Gomukhasana. Simply interlock your fingers from behind, one hand coming from up, the other hand from down. Next, interlock your fingers, take the hands away from the body and relax. Alright, next to open up the spine, we'll be doing Merudand Vakrasana, also known as a bend, stretch and twist. One leg is straight and when you're turning, try to touch your forehead to the floor. Every time you bend forward, breathe out. Coming up, breathe in. Twisting, breathe out. Ensure that your foot is straight and in place. A very quick one to open up your back. And just relax your legs a little bit. Then we'll get into the butterfly pose. Ensure that you're sitting on your hip bones. Lengthen your spine and then start flapping. Let the inner joints open up as well. Usually the body is very stiff in the morning, so ensure that you give a nice start to the day by opening up each and every joint. Now take your legs slightly forward and try to bend down, touching your forehead to your feet. If you want, you can also straighten your arms. Be gentle with your practice. Already opened up, right? Alright, now we'll get into the lying down position. We'll start with Utthita Ekpadasana, that is slowly and gently lifting one leg up, keeping it straight from the knee. Use your core muscles, keep breathing, and then very slowly come down. The slower you go, the better the impact on your abdominal muscles. Do it with the other leg as well. Ensure that you relax your shoulders, you keep breathing. and relax. Next we'll get into Pavan Muktasan. Just simply hug your knees, feel the pressure on the abdomen. Once you're comfortable, lift your head up, trying to take the forehead or the chin towards the knee. An excellent pose that you must do every day. And gently release the pose. Next, with some distance between the feet, we'll do Setu Bandhasan. Simply lift your back off the floor. Hold the position, normal breathing. And gently relax. Now interlock your fingers, place the hand underneath your head, bring the legs together closer to the body and twist in the opposite direction. Uttan Vakrasan. Repeat the same thing on the other side as well. Keep breathing and relax. Slowly taking the support, we'll come to the sitting position. From here, let's get into Vajrasan, carefully, systematically. Alright, now just gentle twists to open up the spine further. Use the help of your knee. Just stretch, twist, open up, keep breathing. Now grab your wrist, pull your shoulders behind and get into Yoga Mudra. Try to bring your forehead to the floor in the final position. Relax your arms. Keep breathing. An excellent pose to get your blood circulation towards your head. Again, while coming up, pull your arms behind. First the head comes up and then your body. And relax. Next we'll get into Marjarasan. Get the right distance, neutral back. Breathing in, go up. Let your back dip down. Breathing out, chin towards the chest. Lift your spine up. Simple one. We'll do another round. And the last one, keep breathing. And relax. Release Vajrasan. We'll now come into Padmasan if it's possible. And let's get into Parvatasan. Just bring your palms together and take the arms up. Stretch, lift your spine upwards. Deep breathing since the lungs are expanded. And then twist in that Tivra Parvatasan. And the other side as well. And then bend sideward, lateral bending. Keep breathing. And relax. Let's do a few neck bending just to open up the joint. Shoulder rotations, opposite direction, and relax. Namaste.